similar triangle. Right. In figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. In figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. In figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. Points D and E trisect BC. D and E trisect BC. Points D and E trisect BC. Prove that 8A square equal to 8A square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. 5AD square. Question clear or not? Once again, ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Hello, ABC is a right angle. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Points D and E trisect BC. Points D and E trisect BC. Prove that 8A square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Okay. Question clear or not? Hello. Is it okay? Question clear or not? Once again, in triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, D and E trisect BC. Trisect means what? BD equal to DE equal to EC. Show that 8A square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Okay. It's clear now. Question okay or not? Hello. Everybody okay? Question? Hello. Okay. So I'll show this question. It's a lengthy question. Okay. I'll show this one. Look at here. So look, we assume that this is A, trisect, all equal sides. Don't write down. I'll show this one. Okay. Here, first I'm taking AE square in triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, AE square equal to AB square plus BE square. Okay. AB square plus BE, A plus A, 2A whole square. So that is AB square plus 4A square. How many A square we need? Question, Megan. Question is, in triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree. D and E trisect BC. D and E trisect BC. Prove that 8A square equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. It's clear now? Okay. Question clear now? Okay. So then look at here. Trisect means BD equal to DE equal to EC. Okay. Then in triangle ABE, because first we need AE. In triangle ABE, AE square equal to AB square plus BE square. You write here Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus 2A whole square. Why 2A? A plus A. So AB square plus 4A square. We need 8. 8A square. 8 AB square plus 32A square. Number 1. 32A square. First one. Then now we want AC square in triangle ABC. AC square equal to AB square plus 3A whole square. So that is AB square plus 9A square. 3AC square equal to 3AB square plus 27A square. Number 2. Then we need AD square in triangle ABD. AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. So that is AB square plus A square. 5. Okay, 5 AD square equal to 5 AB square plus 5 A square. Number 2. 3. Okay, add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. We get 3 AC square plus 5 AD square equal to 3 AB square plus 5 AB square. 8 AB square plus 27 plus 5, 32 A square. Look at here, this is equal to what? 8A square. Okay, clear now? Is it okay? Step by step, first you find out A square, multiply by 8. Then you find AC square, multiply by 3. Then you find AD square, multiply by 5. These two add, we get this one. Okay, from RHS to, you will get LHS. Okay, try first. Okay, so copy. Are you okay all? This is it okay? Others? Okay, finish. Hello. Okay, finish all. Is it okay? Asma, finish. Mansvi, Abir, Megan. Okay, so next question. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. ABCD is a rhombus. Prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. Okay. That means in a rhombus, prove that sum of the squares of the sides is equal to sum of the square of the diagonals. Okay. Prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the square of the diagonals. Can you try? Okay, first try this one. Okay. Okay, try. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. You know what are the properties of a rhombus? Properties of a rhombus is what? All sides are equal. Diagonals bisect. Diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. Diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. Okay. Okay, are you getting? Hello, Shine, Shilas, getting? Okay, try then. Simra, finish? Okay, look at here. So look at here. A, B, C, D. Okay. Listen, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Okay. Listen, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Then, in a rhombus, diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. So, first of all, you have to write that AB given AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Then OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, and AC perpendicular to BD. This one you have to write it. Hello. First, you have to write in rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD, AC perpendicular to BD. Okay, now in triangle AOB, AB square equal to OA square plus OD square. OA is AC by 2 whole square plus OD DB by 2 whole square. So that is AC square by 4 plus DB square by 4. Multiply by 4. 4AB square equal to AC square plus DB square. AB. 4AB means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus DB square. Okay, copy paste. Is it okay? Okay, finish, short. Is it okay? This is the shortest way. Hello, is it okay? Viveka, is it okay? Finish or not? Hello, finish. Yashvi, finish. Okay. So next question then. Right. A point O in the interior of a rectangle ABCD. A point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD. A point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD. A point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD. Join with each vertices ABCD. With each vertices A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A point O here. Okay. Look at here. A point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD is joined each of the vertices. Is joined each of the vertices. Okay, not diagonal. It's not on the diagonal. Any point. A point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD is joined with each of the vertices ABC, A, B, C, D. Prove that OB square plus OD square equal to OA square plus OC square. Question again. A point O in the interior of rectangle, a point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD is joined with each vertices. Prove that OB square plus OD square equal to OA square plus OC square. Okay. Draw figure. And still, listen, your last test. Any geometry question answer, you have to draw the figure. Figure is a must. Without figure, there is no meaning. Okay, draw clean figure. If you want, you can try, or I'll explain to you this one. Okay. You try first. If not getting, I'll show this. Okay. Others, you supposed to, physics students supposed to get this on. We did already. Okay, try. I'll wait. Okay. Dilna, getting? Okay. Ramsha, are you getting? Okay, look at here now. Hello. Avani, you got? So listen on. There is a construction through O, draw perpendicular. E, F. Okay. Hello, listen here now. Listen on. there is a construction, because to get OBOA, we need a construction. You can write first construction through O, draw EF perpendicular to AB. So what about now AEFD is what? AEFD is what? And EBCF also what? It's rectangles. Correct or no? AEFD and EBEC are rectangle. Therefore, we can write AE equal to DF, EB equal to FC. Opposites of a rectangle. Okay, right. First, the construction through O, draw EF perpendicular to AB or DC. Through O, draw EF perpendicular to AB or DC. Okay. Then, right, proof. AEFD and EBCF are rectangles. AEFD and EBCF are rectangles. Hence, AE equal to DF, and EB equal to FC. EB equal to FC. Opposite sides of rectangles. Okay. After that, now look at here. In triangle, done right? In triangle AEO. OA square equal to AE square plus OE square. Therefore, OE square equal to, right there, OE square equal to OA square minus AE square. Okay, call it number 1. Similarly, this triangle. In triangle OEB, OE square equal to OB square minus BE square. Number 2. From 1 and 2, here OE square, here OE square. OA square minus AE square equal to OB square minus BE square. Number 3. Now, this triangle, OF square equal to OD square minus DF square. Number 4. This triangle, OF square equal to OC square minus CF square. Number 5. Then, from 4 and 5, we get OD square minus DF square equal to OC square minus CF square. Number 6. Okay. Okay. What do you got now? Okay, wait. We need one correction. Look at here. So here, so we can write this one, OA square minus OB square equal to AE square minus BE square. This is number 3. Now here, OF square equal to OD square minus DF square. Number 4. Again, OF square equal to OC square minus FC square. Number 5. then OD square minus DF square equal to OC square minus FC square. OC coming here. OD square minus OC square equal to DF square minus FC square. Number 6. Okay. Okay, can you write up to here? Hello, right up to here. First you take this triangle OE square. Then this triangle OE square. Equate it. We got this one. OA square minus this one. Okay. Then this triangle OF square equal to OD square minus DF square. Then OF square equal to OC square minus DF square. We got this one. Okay. Right up to here. Okay. So right up to here, then up to that I tell you. Finish up to 6. Okay. Finish up to 6. Hello. Finish up to 6. Okay. Everyone finish. Asma, finish up to 6. Okay, so now look at here. So from look, AE equal to DF, BE, okay, BE equal to FC, BE equal to FC. So from 3 and 6, from 3 and 6, we get what? OA square minus OB square equal to OD square minus OC square. Okay. So take this one coming here. OA square plus OC square equal to OD square plus OB square. Finish. Okay. So that construction part is important. You have tried that. Okay, finish it fast. Last step. Look at here. Number 3. Number 3 is what? OA square minus OB square equal to AE square minus B square. 6. OD square minus OC square equal to DF square minus FC square. But we know that others. AE equal to DF. BE equal to FC. Look at the figure. AE equal to DF, BE equal to FC. So that means RHS equal, LHS equal. What? OB square minus OB square, OA square minus OB square equal to OD square minus OC square. Then adjust the side, we got the answer. Okay. Okay, finish all. Is it okay? Ashka, finish. Abir, Aditi, Ayush. Divansh, is it okay? Finish or not? Halima. Okay, so Verona, clear now? So next question. In triangle ABC, this one you try yourself. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. This all question related to Pythagoras only, not similar triangle. Okay. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. AD square equal to BD into CD. 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 Prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Prove that triangle ABC is a right. Okay. Question again. Question again. In triangle ABC, hello, in triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. And AD square equal to BD into CD. AD square equal to BD into CD. Prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Okay. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC. I'll give the figure. Okay. AD perpendicular to BC. AD square equal to BD into DC. Show that angle ABC is right triangle. ABC is a right triangle. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. Okay, okay, finish. Okay, can wait. Okay. Look at here now. Hello. Listen here. What do you show? This angle 90 degree. Look. There is a listen. In Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, this angle 90, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Its converse is what? If AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, then we can say angle B 90 degree. That is called converse of Pythagoras theorem. Once again, original theorem is what? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Angle B 90 degree. If angle B 90 degree, we can say AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Then converse, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, then we can say angle B 90 degree converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, back to the question. Look at here. This angle 90. So in triangle ADB, AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Number one. This triangle AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. Number two. Add 1 and 2. AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus BD square plus DC square. Okay. 2 into AD square is given BD into DC plus BD square plus DC square. What is this? 2BD, 2BD into DC plus BD plus DC whole square. What is that? Plus DC square. What is this? Hello, BD, 2BD into DC plus BD square plus DC square. What is this? Hello, what is that? BD plus DC whole square equal to BC square. Correct or no? So we got now AB square plus AC square equal to BC square. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle A 90 degree. Okay, copy fast. Okay. Okay, complete. Finish all. Okay, so next question. ABC is a right angle triangle. Next one. Tanmay, you finish or not? Tanmay. Okay, ABC is a right triangle. ABC is a right triangle. Right angle at A. Right angle at A. ABC is a right. ABC is a right. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Right angle at A. ABC is a right triangle. Right angle at A. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed in it. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of the two sides containing the right angle. The length of the two sides containing the right angle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay. Right angle at B. This is 6. Here is 8. Find the radius of the circle. Find out. ABC. ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Right angle at A. ABC is a Ashwi. Listen. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. A circle is inscribed. A circle is inscribed in it. The length of the two sides containing the right angle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. BC. Yeah, that is no problem. Any Shilas, any side you can take it. 6 and 8. That's no problem. Okay. AC 6, AB 8. Only thing A should be 90 degree. Okay. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, right now. Yes. Aksha, you did this one. We did this question in circle, right? Yes, R equal to 2. We can do any method. We can do easiest method in tangent method. Look, join this one. Join this. Okay, since you studied circle now, you can use that method. Okay. You studied already circle, so better tangent method. See, this 90, 90, 90, 90. So radius R here, R here. This is 6 minus R. 8 minus R. This are here P. This is 6 minus R. This is 8 minus R. Also BC, BC equal to 8 square plus 6 square. That is 10. So 8 minus R plus 6 minus R equal to 10. 14 minus 10 equal to 2R. R equal to 2. We did this question in tangent. I applied that only. Okay. So next one, is it okay? Everybody okay? Next one. In a right triangle, hello, previous question clear now? Next one. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. Right angle at C. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. Right angle at C. Okay. P and Q are the points on CA and CB. CA, P and Q. P and Q are points on CA and CB respectively. Divide in the ratio 2:1. This is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1. Okay. Prove that 9AQ square equal to 9AC square plus 4BC square. Okay. Second part, 9BP square equal to 9BP square equal to 9BC square plus 4AC square. Okay. Then 9 times AQ square plus BP square equal to 13AB square. 13AB square. Okay, I'll read the question again. In a right triangle ABC, in a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. P and Q are points on CA and CB in the ratio 2:1. 2:1. Prove that 1, 2, 3. Okay, try it out. Okay. Question. In a right triangle, listen. In a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle C, 90 degree. P and Q are points. On the side CA and CB in the ratio 2:1. I mark it here. Then prove that 9AQ square equal to 9AC square plus 4BC square. Then 9BP square equal to 9BC square plus 4AC square. Then 9 times AQ square plus BP square equal to 13AB square. 13AB square. Okay, try now. It's clear now? Hello, Mega, clear or not? Prove part. First one, mega. First part, 9aq square. 9aq square equal to 9ac square plus 4bc square. That's clear. First part clear or not? Hello, first part clear or not? Okay, you try yourself. Second part is 9bp square equal to 9bc square plus 4ac square. Third part, 9aq square plus 9bp square equal to 13ab square. Okay, try now. Okay, finish all. Three parts you have to get it. Abel, you finish? Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. Okay, listen here. If not getting, look at this. Look, in triangle AQ square what? AQ square equal to AC square plus CQ square, right? Hello, listen. AQ square equal to AC square plus CQ square. Okay, that is AC square plus CQ is this is 2:1. So 2/3 BC. 2/3 BC all square. Are you agree or not? CQ is to QB, that is 2:1. So this part is 2/3. This part is 1/3. Agree or not? Is it okay? CQ is 2/3 BC. Is it okay or not? Hello. CQ is 2/3. Are you okay? Clear or not that? Okay. So that is AC square plus 4BC square by 9. Multiply by 9. 9 AQ square equal to 9 AC square plus 4 BC square. This is number 1. Finish. Second part. In triangle BCP, BP square equal to BC square plus CP square. So that is BC square. CP is 2/3 AC whole square. So that is BC square plus 4 AC square by 9. 9 BP square equal to 9 BC square plus 4 BC square. Number 2. Finish. Then you add 1 and 2, we get the third part. Complete fast. Okay, add 1 and 2, we get the third part. Finish it fast. That's enough today. Finish it fast. DPS starting tomorrow, right? Shilas. Monday. Okay. Okay. This is finish or not? Others finish? Okay. So this is enough today. Okay. So next class, I hope this section will finish. Pythagoras theorem part. Okay, this is enough today.